When one enters the shed, it is immediately apparent that Bob Marvin loves his muscle cars. There is something there for everyone, and today we are going to take a look at his rare 1967 442 W-30, which is one of only 337 produced. We're going to take it out of the shed, give you a close-up look, and then take it for a ride. By 1967 the muscle car wars were in high gear, and the 1967 442 had all the go-fast goodies that any speed-craving baby boomer could desire wrapped in Oldsmobile's upscale style. The 1967 442 package was based on the top-of-the-line Cutlass Supreme series, including the Sport Coupe, with center post, holiday hardtop coupe, and convertible. Standard equipment on all models included Strato bucket seats or no-cost notchback bench seat, full carpeting, vinyl upholstery, heavy-duty suspension with rear sway bar, and wide oval tires. Like all cars sold in the US for 1967, the 442 came standard with a group of occupant protection and accident avoidance features as mandated by federal law. This safety package included an energy-absorbing steering column and safety steering wheel, padded dash, recessed controls, four-way hazard flashers, and a dual-circuit hydraulic master brake cylinder. The body was refined for 1967 with new tail lamps, repositioned emblems, and a new grille with headlights flanking running lamps. Interiors were muscular right from the start with bucket seats and a floor shifter. Two large pods were set into a brushed aluminum panel. One housed the pertinent engine data, while a vacuum gauge was installed on a consolette when the L79 engine was ordered. Looking beautiful in black paint with a contrasting red interior, this show-stopping 442 takes your breath away. The big news for 1967 was the engine. Embroiled in divisional competition with the successful GTO, Oldsmobile engineers responded with a new optional track pack induction system, coded W-30. Oldsmobile's extra-cost W-30 force air induction system was not only efficient, but gave the 442's engine compartment a high-performance look. Its air scoops wrapped around the parking lamps and employed pressure tubes that connected to a special chrome dual inlet air cleaner housing to ram cooler, denser outside air into the quadrajet. The battery was moved to the trunk, which provided space to fit the hoses up front and also added traction for drag racing. A hotter cam, upgraded valve springs, chrome rocker covers, red fender wells, battery case, and battery cables were also part of the W-30 offering. By 1967, buyers were clamoring for the W-30 and the extra power. There were 502 W-30 equipped 442s built in 1967 to meet NHRA homologation rules. 337 of them were hardtop coupes, including this multiple prize winner built in the first week of March 1967. That's enough talk about this 442. Let's take this muscle car for a drive. Come on. Let's go. Since its superb frame-off restoration, this 1967 442 has been driven fewer than 1,000 miles and has won first-place honors at both the Oldsmobile Nationals and the Birmingham World of Wheels. It now resides at the shed in Warroad, Minnesota.